This is my 14th month update. So y'all, you see me out here slaying with the inches? Yes, I told you, follow the script. You can be like this, 2 inches, boo, inches. This actually isn't my hair, but don't tell anybody I told you guys that. Okay? We're just gonna keep that a little secret between you and I, all right? Don't tell anybody that this isn't my hair because everybody thinks it's my hair, okay? I know this video is not about wigs, but can you understand how hype I am about this wig? I absolutely love this wig. I kind of think I'm cheating a little bit because people really think this is my hair. And like I just slaved for hours, you know, trying to perfect a wash and go or a twist out, and quiet as kept, I can just snatch this off of my head just like that. So, hey, who knew? Well, yeah, this is how my hair usually looks before I put the little wig on. This is my little leave out. And all I do every night to go to bed, I snatch that thing off. And I twist my little braid here.
I just twist it up all the way.
Boom. I usually take this off. This is actually what keeps the wig sturdy and on my head without using any bobby pins or clips or bands or whatnot. I take this off and then I just put on my little bonnet and I'm good to go for the night. And then I wake up in the morning, take off my bonnet. I spritz my hair with a little bit of water, and then I put this on, and then I put this on. Tie that to the back. Bam. I take my little wig here. So, I'm just gonna take this. Match it with my little part here. All I do is match that with my scalp. Pull my little hair to the front. Come on, camera, what are you doing? What are you doing with my legs? Okay, then I'll take my little tendril here, split that in half. I take one of these curls and I wrap my hair around one of the curls. This literally is taking me less than a minute. And I usually leave that like this, and after a while it actually like shrivels up like the rest of the hairs. But if not, I take this and just put it under the other one. And I do the same thing on this side. Take my hair and then take one of the curls and I wrap it or twist it or whatever. It actually doesn't have to be dry. It actually blends even better than this when I wet my hair and then twist it around the curl, because then my hair actually shrivels to the curl of this wig. So they match very well. But yeah, when I don't feel like doing that and I'm actually rushing, or it's 30 below outside, because that's what Michigan be on sometimes, and I don't want wet hair walking out the house, this is what I do. Hold on, let me swivel my part over there for a second. Yep, there we go. Bam, I'm going to work just like this, like, and I really be having people, I had a look before, yeah. But I really be having people coming up to me, oh, your hair's so pretty, who did it, and this, and that, and I'll be like, I bought it, it's a wig. Yeah, and they be like, oh, no it's not, I see scalp. That's people's favorite line is, I see scalp. I'm like, do you? You don't see lace, okay? Come through, scalp. Come through. Whew, please don't judge. I mean, or judge, I don't really care. So this is what my hair has been looking like under my little cap. My hair feels so warm. Y'all, my hair be so warm and soft when I take that thing off, because quiet as kept, usually before I put this on, I usually damp it a little bit with water and I put either leave-in conditioner on it recently I've been putting the melanin hair care stuff on it because that stuff is so moisturizing. The twist elongating style cream is very moisturizing. So anything that's moisturizing, after I put a little bit of water on here, I'll put that on here, then I'll put it on my head, just so this isn't soaking up all of the moisture that's actually in my hair. But yeah, let's see this. These are literally 1 month old. Y'all, I just want you guys to see the new girl for my month, which, hold on, my knot. Let me get all these extra strands out of the way so you can see. My knot is right here, and this is how far my braid actually pulls away from my scalp. Like, that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Like, I am on the comeback for my inches. I'm not playing no games. I really don't want to see my hair out a lot, but I'm gonna take my hair down anyway because it's been a month and I have to redo these braids. I redo them at least once a month. So yeah, I'm going to slowly take these down and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back and I just took out those braids, those month-old braids that I had in my hair. And this is what I'm kind of working with, my little mullet. So I'm definitely about to braid my hair up and wash my hair. If you guys missed my wash routine, I'll link that video below, but I'm about to do exactly what I did in that video to my hair right now. But you guys, look, I'm really trying to show you guys, like, I'm coming back for my inches. Like, I am playing no games. Like, I don't know, some people I guess think I kind of don't like my hair, especially because of the last video I posted. You guys, I love my hair. I was just showing you guys where I came from with my confidence. I used to didn't like my hair, but I absolutely love and adore my hair right now at this point in time. So yeah, but people think because I keep my hair in protective styles and under that wig all the time that I don't love my hair. No, I'm trying to see this length, what this length do. Excuse me if I'm trying to get as much length as fast as possible, but I gotta put my hair away to see that it's the only way for me. It's literally the only way for me. So anyways, besides that, have you guys seen the videos on these wave formers? Like, if you haven't, I need you to search wave formers after you get done looking at this video. I ordered some from eBay. I think they're on Wishlist and eBay right now. They're not like on Amazon or any like major stores. So it's gonna take like 2 months for me to get them. Basically, I'll insert a couple of pictures, but instead of the curl formers giving you little curl ringlets and whatnot, it gives you a crimp. Basically, yeah, if you were to crimp your hair with the little crimping curlers, that's what it gives you. So I feel like that's way better for stretching your hair out because you don't have to uncurl the curl. It's basically like a real nice stretch to your hair. So I definitely ordered me some, and I ordered a few extras that I am thinking about adding in a little giveaway. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. still have to wash my hair tonight and it's already about 2 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, I need to stop wasting time. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys on another one. Bye.